Open the loading door and locate the wire clamp holding the door gasket to the front panel. Next, using a small, flat-tip screwdriver, insert into the end where the spring is connected to the clamp wire and pull away from the gasket to allow the clamp to be removed. Now, gently pull the gasket away from the panel opening and fold into the washer drum opening, leaving a gap between the drum and panel. Using a T20 Torx driver, remove the 2 screws holding the lock to the panel. Now reach in between the drum and panel and grasp the lock. Continue by removing the wiring protection cover and disconnecting the wires at the mini switch. Then unplug the connector holding the remaining wires. Next, take the new lock and replace the wiring to the mini switch and connector. Then reinstall the wire protection cover and place into position. Slide the new lock into the gap and secure into the lock opening. Then secure with screws, making sure the lock is moved to the right towards the door opening as much as possible. Pull the door gasket out of the washer drum and place around the panel opening. Make sure that the gasket is placed onto the panel correctly. Then, starting at the top of the gasket, place the wire clamp in the groove around the gasket until it is back in place with the spring at the bottom or 5 o'clock position and secure. Last, plug the washer back into the power source and test.